innovative police copter takes remote control flying to new heights. With a full 3-channel gyro control system, flying has never been so easy or exciting. Gyroscope technology provides perfect stability and precision. It can be flown under complete control and piloted forwards, backwards, up, down, left and right. With flashing lights for a real police copter look, you can catch those late-night perpetrators and prisoners making attempts at escape. Chargeable via the controller or USB cable.